Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a requested video, which is a flip through of the postcards created by Karolina Kubikowska called Into the Forest. Now stick around for the end, I do have a little surprise for you, but let's get flipping. So this comes in just a little box like this. Mine got torn when I tried to open it, but inside you will have a weekly planner. It's actually got quite a few in there. I'm probably going to give this to my daughter though, because I need a more in-depth little planner, but it's a cute addition if you want to use it. Then you have the postcards themselves. Now these are bound similar to like watercolor pads, how they're bound. So see here, it's glued like that, except it's not a full block, so you can still flip through. But it is bound, so you can just take this bad boy and stick it in your bookshelf, and you don't have to fiddle with the box unless you want to. All right, so let's take a look at these adorable postcards. Now these are available on her site. There's some sellers on Etsy that also carry them. Oh, that's cute. Now, unlike the postcards you get from, Rita Berman, Hanna Karlzon, those types of ones, these are all unique. These aren't taken from her books and turned into a postcard. I love eating donuts. Oh my gosh, give me that. So yeah, that's what makes these really fun. Very pretty. Now, on the back, there is no postcard or traditional postcard info. So that's something to keep in mind. Those little gems. That one's super cute. That one's wacky but cool. I like it. This is very thick paper. It's thicker than her books because this is, the cardstock you'd expect for a postcard. So this can take water, alcohol, markers, whatever you toss at it. It would take a lot of effort to buckle this. And even with the postcard info missing, you could just fill it out. You can either buy a stamp if you're lazy like myself and just buy one of those stamps to fill it out, or break out the old fine liner and a ruler. I think this is the last one. Nope, I lied. There's more. Oh, that's so cute. A little porcupine cooking his stew. These are so thick, it's hard to tell. Very pretty. Okay, and that is, I think, the end. Yep, it is. Okay. So those are the postcards. Now you're probably thinking, so what's the surprise? Well, I receive happy mail from a lot of subscribers, and I want to send some happy mail. So with the postcards from Karolina Kubikowska, as well as other postcards sets that I also have Hanna Karlzon one here. Like I said, these are taken from her books. You can kind of see it's like a zoomed in portion of her books. I have a Rita Berman one here as well. So this is also after her Europa book. These ones actually have the doodads on there. Do the Hanna Karlzon ones? Yeah, the Hanna Karlzon ones do. Oh, look, there's stars in the stamp space. I know, I'm easily amused. Anyway, I want to send happy mail. So, if you would like for me to send you some happy mail, I am collecting addresses, and the post will be in the description below, but I also have it in my community tab, so that actually went out before this video. If you've already filled out that form, then don't do it again. And how this is going to work is this is not like a giveaway per se. It's just happy mail, and it's going to be completely random as I color one of these. Now, it may not be monthly, everyone. There may be a month where I do like 5. There may be a month I do none. The point is, when a postcard is completed, I will randomly pull a name from that list and mail that postcard or that little, gem of happy mail to that subscriber who filled out the sheet, just as my thank you for following my channel. And then I will do like a little post of it on Instagram and my community tab, just showing the finished postcard and announcing who it's going to, but I will use their first name and last initial, and I will never share the addresses, so keep that in mind. If you fill out that form, it is for this Happy Mail project only. It does not apply to any giveaways or anything like that, but I thought that would be kind of fun because I'm not really getting the postcard books to collect them like I would other books. I want to mail these, and I ended up with 2 copies of this, so I definitely will probably be doing more of these first, but I want to send them out. And I do have another postcard book from Hanna Karlzon that was sent to me as Happy Mail, so I thought that would be fun as well. I'm using Happy Mail to send Happy Mail. So there's another Hanna Karlzon one I have that I will be showing very soon as well. So thank you guys for requesting a little flip through. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope to be mailing you a postcard from either this set or one of the others very soon. In fact, oh my gosh, this was Happy Mail too. So most of the postcard sets, other than this one I bought myself, are Happy Mail. That's actually really cool. Just a totally random thought. Anyway, thank you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.